saw you from across the room. When our eyes met, I never knew that I could feel this way.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for this all day clean with me. In today's video I'm going to be doing more of an everyday cleaning routine, so I'm focusing mainly on the things that I do every day or at least every other day. So I will be putting upstairs on the back burner for today's video and focusing on the living room and the kitchen, making it ready for the day and just getting it nice and fresh.
That he comes to when he wants to dance.
If you're new here on my channel and you've never seen my face before, my name's Amanda and I post cleaning, motivation and everything to do with the home every Tuesday and Thursday at 12 o'clock. So it's packed with cleaning motivation, decluttering, organising, home decor and my favourite cleaning products and everything like that. If that's your cup of tea, don't forget to subscribe with the subscribe button down below, and also leave this video a thumbs up if it helped motivate you to clean along with me. And let's just jump straight into today's video. So as you can see, I'm starting off by doing the washing up. I do normally try and do the washing up before I go to bed, but there's always those days where I'm just too tired or I completely forget to do it. So that is what happened today. So I'm just going to crack on with the washing up before doing the rest of the kitchen.
That you were all he wants and it's midnight. Oh, I'm thinking about him. I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same and I'm acting stupid.
So now all that's done, I'm just going to go ahead and wipe down all the sides and the cupboards with the Method spray. I am still using the wild rhubarb scent and it's definitely growing on me. I wasn't 100% sold when I first bought it, just because you know I am obsessed with the clementine one, but the more I use this one, the more I seem to like it. So I am really glad that I bought it, and I'm just going to go ahead and wipe everything down and make everything nice and clean.
I wanna hold his hand, 'cause I can't stop thinking about him. And would he understand if I told him how I feel about him? Oh, 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 oh. I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. He doesn't know my name.
Feels like time is going faster than it seems. We were just two kids who were trying to live the teenage dream. We could see no reason, but we should ever try to go to sleep. Remember every weekend we stayed out late and then went home to me. I wish that I could live that dream again. 'Cause it was only you and me back then. We were never growing up, said we'd be young forever. You taught me how to love, and nothing could be better than you and me, baby, it was you and me. We could never fall, and nobody could break us, yeah, I thought we had it all. Take me back to when it was you and me, baby, it was you and me.
If you're enjoying today's clean with me, don't forget to leave it a thumbs up because it really does help my channel when you do that. And also don't forget to subscribe with the subscribe button down below, and also click the bell. By clicking the bell you will just get notified every single time that I post, so you don't miss an upload. I post every Tuesday and Thursday at 12 o'clock, bringing you lots of cleaning motivation, decluttering and organisation, and just everything to do with the home. And I would love for you to be part of my little YouTube family by clicking the subscribe button down below.
I told you it'd be alright. said we'd be young forever. You taught me how to love, and nothing could be better than you and me, you and me. Baby, it was you and me. We could never fall, nobody could break us. Yeah, I thought we had it all. Take me back to when it was you and me, you and me. Baby, it was you and me. It was only you and me back then. We were never growing up, said we'd be young forever. You taught me how to love, and nothing could be better than you and me, baby, it was you and me.
So now I've given everything a good wipe over and everything is smelling gorgeous. It's time to put the washing up away and to clean the sink, which is definitely one of my favourite things to do. It definitely doesn't need a deep clean though, because I do that quite regularly. So I'm just going to go back in with the Method spray and just give it all a good spray over and disinfect everything, make it nice and shiny before moving on to the living room.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay.
So I'm now moving through into the living room, and as you can see, it's not too bad because this room, it gets done every day and also throughout the day. I'm always just picking things up and tidying as we go, but I do need to put a few things away, sort out the cushions and just make it look a little bit more put together.
I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you.
So I've got a couple of presents that need wrapping that I've been putting off for so long, and I'm not sure why. I just kept staring at it and it's not getting done, and I think it's just because I'm rubbish at wrapping, but hopefully it looks alright when I've finished. There's one for my nephew and one for my niece. My niece's birthday was in June and my nephew's was in July, but because of the travel we haven't seen them since lockdown, but my parents will be taking the presents for me and also for my sister as well, so she doesn't have to travel either. So I do need to make sure that these are all wrapped for my parents to be able to take in the next few days, and then I can carry on cleaning the living room without staring at this, and I can finally tick it off my to-do list.
I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world. Gotta leave this town, and I know what you're asking for. You say it's out of my reach, but I can't pretend no more.
I'm so glad that I finally got that done and can tick that off. Do let me know if you've got anything that you've been putting off, no matter how big or small. I know exactly what it's like when you're just staring at something, knowing that it needs doing, and you just, for whatever reason, are putting it off and you're not even really sure why. Do let me know what type of things you put off down in the comments down below.
When reaching for the dream keeps me alive. 'Cause it's keeping me alive. And I say it might take me nowhere. Anywhere is better than the places I have been. Sunsets in my rearview mirror, a projection of my old life faded.
Hoovering is definitely something that I feel makes the house so much fresher instantly and also bigger. I've said it before, but hoovering always makes me feel like the house is bigger, or the room that I'm hoovering is bigger. So I do try and hoover every day, or at least every other, if not every day. So I've just gone round, done the living room and the hallway and everything, and made it super fresh. And now I'm just going to go in, give everything a bit of a dust over. It's not really too bad at the moment, but again, just the smell of the polish makes everything so much fresher, and it feels like I've done more of a deep clean, even if it's just a daily clean. So I do try and do that every day, or again at least every other, just to keep it as fresh as possible.
'Cause it's keeping me alive. Lost outside of nowhere, a stormy rain tried to wash away the dream. Staff wanted scissors worn outside, and the diner's name is California Dreams.
I really hope you found all the motivation that you came looking for today. If you have, and this video has helped motivate you to clean your house as well, don't forget to leave it a thumbs up, and do let me know down in the comments, because I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to leave some more on the screen here for you so you can find even more motivation, and I will see you back here in the next one.